Hey guys, it's Miss Thomas here again. So last week we talked a little bit about how to get started with our argumentative writing. So today we're going to revisit this template. I'm going to go ahead and do points B and C for you guys, just because some people in class were saying that they needed more help getting started. So if you remember last time, I was throwing shade at all these NBA players that are getting paid like 50 million times more than I am. So let me come back and strengthen my argument to say why NBA players need to make less money. So let's see here. I already went to point A. Now let's go to point B. How much we need to survive. So the main idea, I would say professional NBA players make multiple times what's needed to survive. Now for a statistic, I can here look at what the poverty line is. So let's look. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and say, what is the poverty line in the U.S.? And it's going to spit back some answers at me. Okay, look at this. I can go to Wikipedia, which a lot of people do, but guess what? Wikipedia is not a source. Let me say that one more time. Wikipedia is not a source. I mean, it's a source, but it's not a very good source. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's go here to where it says Federal Poverty Guidelines Families USA. This might be a good one. So here, if I open this up, let's see here. Wow, so you really only have to make $11,000 and be in a house of one to be considered poor. Now let's even give this some room. Let's say, okay, some of the NBA players, they have wives, they have kids. So let's even say a family of 8. So a family of 8 people needs to make about $40,000 to be poor. So statistics here, poverty line for family of 8 is about $40K. Now let's see what multiple of that is what NBA players make. Let's find out here. So we had, okay, come on computer, work with me. Here we go. 5.5 million. So that's $5,500,000 like that. And then we're going to divide that by $40,000. So 137 times, about 137 times what that family of 8 would need to survive. Okay, so for here, I can find my citation, put it into my easy bib, just like that. Bam, just like that. And then click on cite it. And now it is making a citation. And continue. And let's see here. Do we have an author on this? No, we do not. But we know it's published in February 2014. So February 2014. Bam, just like that. Create citation. And there we go. We've added it to our bibliography. And you see how nicely that's being collected for us. So here we need to find a counter argument. Then we would counter that argument. Then we would make a bridge. Let me just skip the counter argument and the counter just for the sake of time. So for the bridge, speaking of poverty, there are too many poor people in the U.S. for NBA players to be making so much money. And then I would go ahead and do the next thing for my point C, and then I would do my conclusion. So I think now we're getting up there in time, so let me go ahead and make another one about how to conclude. Catch you in a couple minutes. Bye.